Bingsu coffee.
Yung bingsu part sa loob, as in sobrang anyang herbal. So try natin tong bago matcha red bean bingsu ng Bonchon Cafe Korean. This is their first branch. Opening ngayon. And I'm representing
Alright,
Firefly. So this one has been with me for like 30 minutes na, kaya natunaw na siya. Pero matagal siyang matunaw, napansin ko like 15 minutes bago
I go
na-deform.
for
Okay, kaya natin. And
selfie.
yung ice pala, alam ko agad na very bingsu siya. Very legit. Yung
It's
pagka-bingsu
the 14th
texture niya. So
Cafe
try na
Korean.
natin.
There's the Bingsu coffee.
Yung bingsu part sa loob, as in sobrang hindi pa siya natutunaw. So, ito yung itsura niya na. May parts pa rin siya na buo talaga. And yung natunaw na parts, like, kita mo pa rin na solid pa rin siya na very bingsu yung texture. Hindi siya yung usual shaved ice. I'm so excited to try because it looks legit. Tignan niyo, oh, pwede i-DQ. Sana pala tinry ko yun kanina. Pwede siyang i-DQ, pero don't try this at home.
Once again, inviting all the people in our festival hall to come and join the grand opening of Cafe Koreano by Bonchon.
Meron siyang matcha na, hindi ko alam kung like sauce. And then meron din siyang like creamy chocolate, white chocolate sauce siguro, or like milk. I don't know, ang sarap. Important sa mga tita, hindi siya gaanong matamis. So, very recommended. Try it when you're here at Festival Mall Cafe Koreano. It's a second floor dito sa may carousel. Annyeong!